That is so much fun. What is up, you lovely, beautiful people? How are you guys doing today? Hope you're doing well. Short little vlog here. Just wanted to say hello. Hope you're doing well. And share with you a new little toy I've just made. This is called Neal's Non-Stop homemade campus board. Got the big 33mm campus rungs. I've only got 5. My initial thought was just to have a small board and put it on the pegboard, and then of course I wanted to go all out and make it all pro. So I've got extra space at the top for another 5 more to make a complete campus board. I might as well give you a quick rundown. Hey, maybe this could be a, let's make this a how I made my board video. All right, let me just stand this up. Ugh. Okay, so I got some campus rungs, got them online. These are the wood grit ones. I've started off with big ones, just as my preference. I got a big sheet of 30mm plywood. This is pretty cool. Initially I was just going to buy a 2.4 by 1.2 meter 15mm piece of ply, chop it in half and laminate them both together. But went to the hardware store here in Australia, a place called Bunnings, and they had it. I guess they had these for desktops, but I've ended up just, it's perfect, worked out great, saved me a job trying to laminate something. So let me show you around the back. And then on the back I basically just put a big piece of, this is 45 by 90mm, big piece there, and you'll see I've left a little gap there. You'll see why in a second. Like I said before, I got all this extra space because I'm gonna order some more and turn it into a full campus board. And then right at the top here, got some little clippy things at the back, eyelets. I'll show you, you'll see what I'm doing, you'll see what I'm doing. So luckily for me, over a year ago now, I built myself a trampoline wall. So I have this lovely structure here, quick little tour. There's the wall, great for the tramp, bounce, bounce. But I've recently, probably over the past 6 months, been getting back into climbing, more climber specific training, and I thought what a better place to put the campus board is here. So I'm going to anchor it on there, put some straps on it, get it all the way to the top, and then use some more straps on those eyelets to lean it out, get that 12mm standard on. I'm not sure how this is going to work, I've not tried it yet, so hopefully it won't, when trying to climb it, it won't pull back and stuff like this. But I feel for what I want it for, I want to be able to make it, I want to be able to remove it so it's not out in the bad weather when it does get bad right out of summer. So it's lovely, but it's nice to be able to move stuff. And yeah, all right, anyway, let's chit chat, let's get this mega board up there. So those eyelets and the back, I'm going to use 2 carabiners, clip them in, and then I've got these roof rack straps. We pop them in and they just grip like that. So then I'll be able to, you'll see, put that on like that sort of thing. You get the idea. If you know a bit of rigging, you know what I'm talking about. That'll go into the eyelet, and then through that I can extend, make it even further away or even closer, depending on how I'm feeling. Let me take you upstairs. So as you can see, got the carabiners hooked in there, got one strap around, and this is going to go around the bar like so. Just got to do the other one. Alright, let's go downstairs and strap the bottom in. Here's a 90 by 45, and I've put it on so that it sits like that. As you can see, when that's strapped down here, got plenty of screws in the back to make sure it doesn't come off. So there you go, there's your little thing there, and then we get similar style of straps. One goes there to keep that on this way so it doesn't come this way. We don't want that to happen. And then the other one on there. All right, there we go. So I don't have my phone on me at the moment. I've got an app on my phone. It's a free app where you can basically take the phone, place it up against the wall, and it'll give you the correct degrees. So I'll probably set it to 12 degrees when I'm training on it, but just for the purpose of rigging it up for the first time and seeing if it works. I mean, so far it looks pretty beautiful. That's holding up really well actually. Because this is low, I reckon you'll be able to do hops up it as well. All right, I got my chalk bag. It is a rest day. My arms are a little bit tired from climbing the other day, but that's no excuse. See if I can smash out a little go. This is exciting. Whoa, that is so much fun. Okay, so I just got my phone and I'm gonna place up against the wall, pop you in my mouth so I can show you, and there's the gauge there, and we'll see what I've randomly selected. Here we go. Oh, so that is 16 degrees. So normally it feels a bit tough, but I think they range from 12 to 15 degrees anyway. I think from what I read online, and correct me if I'm wrong if you're watching this and you know a bit more about campusing than I do, is the set one is at 12 degrees. So I'm gonna play with these here and bring it back to 12 degrees. All right, so now we're bang on 12. It was actually really easy to do with this little pulley system. So what I did is I just pulled one, checked with the phone, and then took up the tension on the other side, and it was really, really easy. So let me show you. It's going to have a little bit more of a play. Don't want to do too much because I'm not really that warm, but I can't help myself. I've been dreaming about this for the past week, well, quite a while. It took about 2 weeks over the holidays to get those campus rungs, and yeah, this is wicked, and the mozzies are about to come out, so have another little play. Should be a little bit easier now because it was at 16 degrees before. Have a look. You can see why people use that. Damn, I think the official is the medium rungs. If you look up the medium wood grips, I think they're like, I'm not sure what they are, 18 mil, probably less than that. But anyway, that's insane. Have a little rest. I'm gonna try some other little ladders. Alright guys, going to call it a day on that. This was literally only supposed to be a quick hello, turn into how I'd made how-to video of this beautiful campus board. There you go. Big rungs, little anchor system here, lots of straps, and then the eyelets and pulleys at the top, using the phone app to get that degree set. And then the measurements, this again is that's a measurement of the board, if you can see that, 2.25 by 600 mil, 30 mil thick plywood. And there you go, real simple build. For me, I'm lucky enough to have this crazy ridiculous setup in the back there, but just to give you guys some fun ideas. Get chalk on you there. There you go. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, live, laugh and love. Please subscribe if you want more videos, or you want to see more videos, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Live, laugh and love. Peace.